To pay with Cash App on DHgate, start by opening a web browser and typing in DHgate. From the search results, select DHgate.com, which is a website for online shopping from China suppliers. Once on the site, click the Sign In option and enter your email and password to access your account. You'll then see your recently viewed items, favorites, and shopping cart. In the shopping cart, you'll have a few options for payment. To use Cash App, you'll need to link it with PayPal. To do this, go to your Cash App account, select the option to do more with your money, and then link it to your PayPal account by logging in and following the prompts. On DHgate, you can then select the option to pay with a new card or add a new address. But the key step is linking Cash App to PayPal. This allows you to bypass paying directly with a card and instead use Cash App as your payment method.